Welcome to Airbrush Megastore's Tag Along series. If you're looking to do realistic fire or real fire, also known as True Fire by Mike Lavallee, then this is the kit for you. It takes in stencils, paints and a tag along series. So you'll see there is two listings on the website. One is for a 60mm paint set and one's for a 480mm paint set. Both of them have a checklist, which is a PDF you can download so you can check what you get in the particular kit. That checklist will also come with the kit so you know you've got all the products that are required. So first of all, 60mm, you got the Wicked Opaques, the Candy 2.0s, and then you get the 240mm of the undercoat black so you can create your black panel or come back and do a raising technique, which you didn't like. You've also got UV gloss. That is designed to go into the Candy 2.0s, it's a must. And you can also use that to do your top coat clear on any of the hard surfaces except for full automotive. For full automotive you would use a 2-pack clear, maybe a marine clear or an acrylic lacquer clear. You also get some reducer, and this kit is also going to be available in a 480mm kit of the paints and 960mm of those sundries. So you get H stencil for creating the flame licks, and also a texture effects. The mini one will be with the 60mm set and the full size of the texture effects will be with the 480mm set. So what else? Cool stubby cooler, and also the essential part. This is USB. USB has on their MP4 videos. The video is the full version of how to do step by step with Craig Fraser at Createx Colours of how to paint realistic fire or real fire. All three of these are created, and also there's a smoke effect. Plug it into your TV or your computer and look for the fire and off you go. So not only did we put that on the stick, but we also put in how to use UV gloss, and there's some other cool videos on there of the Wicked colour range. So we're going to show you some basic footage now, but the full video, like I said, is on here and comes with this kit. So get painting, show us what you painted. Realistic fire is pretty cool.